Hi guys, today we are going to talk about a great leader who has many companies as you can see in the picture. So the great leader's name is Ratan Naval Tata. We are going to talk about him and we are going to see the information how he has grown into a businessman and what all he has done and some information about him. So Ratan Naval Tata was born on 28 December 1937. He is an Indian industrial and a farmer chairman of Tata Sons. He was also chairman of Tata Group from 1990 to 2012 and again as an interim chairman from October 2016 through February 2017 and continues to head its charitable trust. He is the recipient of two of the highest civilian awards of India, the Padma Vibhushan 2018-2008 and Padma Bhushan 2000. Born in 1937 in Mumbai, he is of the Tata family and son of Naval Tata, who was later adopted by Ratanji Tata, son of Jamshedji Tata, the founder of Tata Group. He is an alumni of the Cornell University College of Architecture and Harvard Business School through the Advanced Management program that he completed in 1975. He joined his company in 1961 when he used to work on the shop floor of Tata Steel and was the apparent successor to J.R.D. Tata upon the latter's retirement in 1991. He's got Tata Tea to acquire Tata Motors to acquire Jaguar, Land Rover, and Tata Steel to acquire Chorus, in an attempt to turn Tata from a largely India group into a global business, formed to a global business. So like this only Tata faced many difficulties and problems, but he overcome through his problems and he solved some solutions. Because see, every businessman or something has of many of his difficulties come while doing business. So like this only Ratanji Tata had faced many difficulties and now as you can see on the right side his picture and his all companies in financial Tata AIG Life and Tata AIA and Tata Capital. In aerospace defense, Tata Advanced System. In tourism travel, Vistara, the airline, Vistara and AirAsia, Taj, Jar, Vivanta, and in telecom, Tata Sky as even Tata Teleservices Limited, Tata Communications, in infrastructure, Tata Consulting Engineers Limited, Tata Projects, Tata Housing, and Tata Power. In auto, Land Rover and Jaguar, these two companies are even there. Tata Outcome Systems, Tata Motors. In metals, Tata is Tata Steels, and in retail there are many like about tea also. Tata Tea and Westside, Titan Company, Volt, Tata Enterprise, Tata Salt, Volts, Tanishq, Chroma, it is an electronic company. Again, Starbucks coffee, which is very famous, Starbucks, and Star Bazaar. Again, Tata Clear, and then in IT, they have Tata Alexa, Tata Consultancy Services, Class Edge Tata by Tata. So there are various types of things that Tata has actually accomplished in their company. So this is the story of a motivational this is a motivational story of Ratan Nawalji Tata. So thank you.